In July, we actually saw a decline by about 5.7% in terms of imports from Russia. The expectation is that we are expected to see that continue through the month of August. Can you explain to us whether there is a deliberate pullback and what is the trajectory likely to be?
There's no question of any deliberate decision by us to import more or less from a particular source. The government has nothing to do with this. The importation is being done by the private sector and the public sector companies, and they do it in a very transparent way. What they do is they float a tender and ask for prices for delivery at our port, and whoever has the lowest price, they import from that. Insofar as Russia is concerned, you're absolutely right. The month you named, there was a decline of 5.7% in this thing. But you know, this is a dynamic situation. I mean, when the military action took place from Russia to Ukraine, I'm talking about February of 2022, at that point of time, we were importing hardly any oil from Russia. I think it was 0.2%. In the first 2 months after that, there was a sudden increase in imports from Russia. Why? It's a price sensitivity issue. Now, so obviously, if the importer, whoever it is, it's private sector, Reliance or Indian Oil or whoever it is in the public sector, these are global companies. One of them is the world's 7th largest company. The others are very big international companies. They will buy the cheapest. So if today Iraq, I believe, is selling because there is geographical proximity of distance. So this is a dynamic situation which will go on altering based on the current global situation. But two messages I want to give you. One, we are doing well. We are navigating it well, essentially because we are playing the market card. If somebody comes and tells me, no, you have no choice but to buy more expensive from me, I tell him, we used to buy from 27 countries, now we buy from 39 countries. If you sell more expensive, I may have a cheaper supplier. Did you ever imagine that we would be buying $20 billion of energy from the United States in a year? I was Joint Secretary on the Americas desk. I could never have dreamt of it.